If you are not leveraging AI for your LinkedIn lead generation efforts, you are going to be left behind. There are so many cool AI tools out there right now that other businesses are using to catapult their output on LinkedIn and get more leads. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how. Make sure you stay right until the end because I have a bonus tip for you that is going to help you accelerate your results. My name is Cindy Makita Dodd. Welcome back to my channel if you are returning. And if you are new, make sure to click that subscribe button for more videos like these. The first way to leverage AI for your LinkedIn lead generation efforts is to elevate your profile to wow levels. When doing any kind of outbound or lead generation on LinkedIn, the first thing that people see is your profile, and more specifically, your profile picture. First impressions matter. Statistics from LinkedIn show that members with a profile photo achieve 21 times more views and 9 times more connections than those that don't have a profile photo at all. So that just goes to show not only having a profile photo, but the way your profile photo is presented significantly matters, and it can affect your lead generation. Maybe you have a profile photo that isn't quite clear or isn't as high quality as you'd like it to be. You can utilize the AI tool Remini.ai to boost the quality of your profile photo immediately to make it more new, higher quality, and significantly boost your engagement on your profile and your LinkedIn acceptance rates. Remini AI uses advanced algorithms to enhance your photo, remove any imperfections, and ensure you present yourself in the best possible light. Having a professional profile photo increases the likelihood of your profile being viewed, but also of people accepting your connection request when you send it to them. And of course, if somebody accepts your connection, you can then go in and send them your pitch message, which can lead to more leads for your business. The second way to utilize AI is to craft messages that captivate. Crafting persuasive messages is a critical part of your LinkedIn lead generation efforts. But if you are not an experienced copywriter, it can be challenging to craft messaging that hits home with your ideal prospect and gets them to say yes to your offer. With AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper.ai, you can get help on crafting LinkedIn outbound messages, on crafting unique offers, questions to pose, follow-up messages, and the likes. It provides suggestions, auto-completes, and even help you craft new ideas around your outbound messaging. Now, a quick note here. I would not personally use ChatGPT to create my entire outbound message. At the time of this video, it's not quite there yet with producing exceptional copy. However, it can help me tailor messages to fit my target audience or give me some ideas around really good messages to write. For example, I can utilize ChatGPT to tell me the 5 biggest frustrations that business consultants have when generating leads. With that output, I can then craft messaging around those pain points and frustrations because I know that those will hit home with my ideal prospects. So you have to combine your understanding of marketing and persuasion with the AI tool to produce the best messaging that converts. The third way to use AI is to tailor every touch point to spark connection. One of the big movements and developments that AI is allowing us to do right now is to personalize our reach outs and our interactions with our ideal client. If a prospect receives a message that is more personalized and tailored to them, there's a much higher chance that they will see the message, respond, and take action. An AI tool that we can leverage for this is Crystal Knows. CrystalKnows.com is an AI-powered tool that provides valuable insights into the personality traits of your connections. So what it does is it analyzes publicly available information and it generates personality profiles, which includes communication style, decision-making approach, and more. Now, with this knowledge, you can actually tailor your outbound messages to relate more with your ideal prospect because you have this insight and this data into what's going to get them to respond. Other tools you can utilize for personalization are Line.ai and even Phantom Buster because they allow you to put together customized one-liners for your direct outreach needs. And here is my bonus tip for leveraging AI for LinkedIn lead generation. One of the best things about AI is it's allowed us to become more efficient and to save time. So some of the manual repetitive tasks that all business owners are doing can now be handled and done by AI, which is phenomenal. In this case specifically, we can leverage some LinkedIn automation tools that use AI to not only match our target audience, but also automate the process of reaching out to prospects and sending them a personalized message, and that is going to allow you to reach out to more people in a shorter amount of time, which can more than triple your results with LinkedIn lead generation. I hope that you found this video useful on AI tools that you can leverage for your LinkedIn lead generation efforts. If you did, please give this video a like. It helps so much. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel for more videos like these. Watch this video next on how to leverage AI for your LinkedIn outbound efforts. Okay, I will see you very soon. Bye for now.